Probably. Especially since I just hit record, but whatever. I don't think the prep work was that long though, so it's okay.
Okay.
That's funny, because I always think the same thing.
Yeah. Okay. So
Okay. Do you have it pulled up?
I'm just about to.
Okay.
Okay. So part two.
Yep.
Suppose pair commuting sold an average of equals 45 key phones per minute in 2011. With a standard deviation of Q equals 10. And we looked at their key phones data and determined that they are normally distributed. Samples of samples of size n equals 4 are the normally distributed 2011 sales data. What is the shape of the distribution of,
Wouldn't it be normal since
yeah,
it's normally
it's normally
distributed?
distributed, yeah.
And then same for 5.
But yeah,
The same question, basically. Okay, so a sample size of n equals 4 is taken from the normally distributed 2011 sales data. What is the probability of the observed X thing is less than 40? Okay, so wouldn't you do it like on a bell curve to, wait, no.
let me pull up the notes.
I don't like it when it's tricky. Sample.
Would it be right skewed?
I just pulled up the answer key, and it's like an actual number.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, that's why I was wondering if it was using like drawing it out on the bell curve with like the 6895
Oh, okay.
thing going on.
Actual number. Oh, goodness. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Less than 40.
um,
Wait a minute.
Why is this so difficult? Isn't there tutorial videos on,
Tutorial video.
I was gonna see if there's one of those. Because on the, like, just the page that, like, lists everything we're supposed to do,
Mm-hmm.
like, oh, if you miss a problem, here's some videos, so. Never looked at them, but maybe that's a good idea.
The reference. Connecting.
Share my screen.
Oh my goodness, there's like videos for every single question. Okay, this is life-changing.
Okay.
Oh, that's not what I want, Brother Doria. I'm looking at
Right,
the
start
video,
with
and he's
3.
starting
Well,
with
LO7.
the actual assignment.
Okay.
No, I just want the prep.
Do we just want to go through the rest of the prep and then try and do the quiz?
Yeah,
Because the answer says it's about 16,
yeah, about,
which makes sense. Like, I just don't know how to get to that answer on my own, you know?
yeah.
So what is the probability that's greater than 35 and less than 55? So if you have it drawn out, and the deviation was what, 10? Is that what it, I'm pretty sure it's 95%. And the answer key says it's 95.
Okay, using the 6895.
Yeah. And then greater than 41 and less than 49. Wouldn't it be about the same?
Yeah.
So 95 again, I guess. Hopefully we don't have to be exact on work.
35. Let's see. You know what? I think it might only be 68 with that for that one.
For number 9.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm talking about number 7. Oh, wait.
Well, 7 and 8 are 95.
Yeah, you're right. Never mind. It says 95.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Yeah.
No, you're good.
It would be the 99. Yeah. Dang, this prep assignment is longer than the actual quiz.
Yeah.
Okay. Number 10. Sample size of n equals 4 taken on the right view. 20.
Well, it says in the info at the top that it is right skewed. So,
Right view.
be
And
right skewed.
it's a question from one of the other, from the group quiz.
Mhm.
It's like super similar to it, but yeah, it's right
Okay.
view.
So then the shape would be
Right skewed.
pretty, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
It says approximately normal on the answer key. Totally just spaced for a second. Like, what's it called?
10?
No, 10 is right skewed, and then 11
Oh, 11. Because
is
40
approximately
is bigger
normal.
than 30.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, it would be approximately normal. That makes sense.
Yep.
Okay.
So is there a theorem that justifies your question? Wouldn't that be the central limit one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So sample size of n equals 4 is taken from the right skewed 2010 pPhone sales data, and you want to know the probability that the observed, isn't x mean? Is that what that is? So like the mean is less than 35.
Yeah, that sounds all right.
Okay. Can you compute this probability using the normal probability applet with the information you have? And why?
No.
You're right, yeah. Because you can only use normal distribution
Yeah.
on that. Okay, the sample size of n equals 36 is taken from the right skewed 2010 sales data. What is the probability that the observed x, or mean, is greater than 36.5? So wouldn't you do... What is the probability? I kind of want to go straight to the quiz.
Yeah. Well, at least we've done the majority of the.
Yeah, I think we're good.
Let's just do the quiz. You ready?
Yep. Ready as I'll ever be. Those first two questions are always easy.
What? 15-question quiz.
Well, Katie, we're working on, you've done lesson 7 already, right? It's the one where it's means, what's this? Probability calculations involving a mean. We're trying to do the homework quiz. Okay, never mind. She's always a lesson ahead, so I'm like, help.
Oh,
But
she
I guess not. Yeah, not this week though. And computers working. There we go. Okay. Use the normal probability applet to find the combined area under the standard normal curve that is to the right of z equals 135.8 and to the left. So let's find applet again.
I got 0.175.
That's what I got too.
Yeah. Okay.
0.175, right?
Yeah, it's 0.1745. Yeah.
So the United States Coast Guard assumes the mean weight of passengers in commercial boats is 185 pounds. The previous value was lower, but was raised after a tragic boating accident. The standard deviation of passenger weights is 26.7 pounds. The weights of a random sample of 48 commercial boat passengers were recorded. The sample mean was determined to be 177.6 pounds. Find the probability that a random sample of passengers will have a weight that is as extreme or more extreme, either above or below the mean that then was observed in this example. Round to 3. So I don't like when we have to do actual math.
Right? Can't we just learn about math concepts?
Exactly. I'm a lot better at those. Okay. That's how you do.
It's asking the find the combined
Ready to do that now.
Okay, the next one, four. The United States Coast Guard assumes the mean weight of passengers in commercial boats is 180 pounds. Previous value was lower, but was raised after a tragic boating accident. The standard deviation passengers weight 26. I like it's 26.7 pounds. The weight of a random sample, so the sample 48. Commercial boats were recorded. The sample mean was determined to be the sample mean 177.6. Find the probability that a random sample of passengers have a weight that is as extreme or more extreme, either above or below the mean, than was observed in the sample, down to your 3 decimal places. Note, as extreme or more extreme means that we are not only interested in values that are lower than the ones we observe, but also the values that are far away from the mean. So the mean here is 185. And the first thing that we need to do using this applet is to identify the standard deviation.
Okay, so all we're doing is plugging everything into the applet.
We're doing what?
Plugging everything into the applet.
Okay.
But it's like the
That's easy
complicated
enough.
applet. It's not the simple.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Kind of.
You know what I mean by the complex? Like, it's not the simple.
Well, yeah.
Okay.
As long as one of us knows what's going on, I'm good for tonight.
It's really up for me that knows what's going on, though.
Yeah. I
Oh,
trust you. You're married. You're more mature.
Oh. Have you ever hung out with married people? I would not do that.
My one roommate's fiance is over all the time, so I kind of know what it's like. But
It's funny because we hang out with a lot of like our friends from the singles world,
mhm.
and most of them just think that we're so cute because like I don't know.
Aw,
We just act like
you probably are.
we are pretty horrible, but
Yeah,
yeah.
that's funny.
Like the fact that we still hang out with people from the singles world, like that alone says something. I guess.
Yeah,
Shit,
that's cool.
I can't find the complicated applet.
I'm having trouble finding it too. It was on lesson 6 because we did this on Monday.
We didn't use a complicated one though, we used a simple one.
Oh, okay.
So
We're looking for the...
this is a link to the simple one. The complicated one has more like options to add things.
Okay, yeah. So is it lesson 5 that we used it?
I don't remember ever using a complicated applet for this lesson. For
Maybe I'm just thinking of the probability applet.
the simple one.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just gonna see how he does it.
Okay.
Watch him. Okay, so we found the standard deviation. We have the mean.
Let's say the standard deviation is 1 to 6.
Okay.
This is standard deviation 1 to 6%.
So we're just converting the standard deviation.
N is 4 to 8. And the standard deviation of the sample mean is sigma, that is going to copy. So 26.7 divided by 7. So now we can answer the question. The question is, find the probability when the sample of passengers will have a weight that is extreme or more extreme than we observe. What we observe in the sample is 177. So using this applet, first I need to enter the standard deviation, 185. The mean is 185. Standard deviation is the standard deviation 3.854. Then the question is, the mean sample mean is 177.601. That's extreme or more extreme, which is outside 170.
I think I would fall asleep if I had him as a teacher. I wouldn't be able to do it.
Monotone, soft-spoken voice.
Well, like, that's a good way to, like, do a video, but... Oh my goodness.
The first thing that we need to do is find the z-score, since this is only on z-scores.
Oh my goodness.
So the z-score,
Yeah, this one is a long process. So
for this problem that we
you
have,
take the mean, you
X
take the
bar
standard
is
deviation,
177.
and then you convert the standard deviation to sigma.
Correct. We also need to indicate the deviation. And then z-score for 177.6 equals 177.6 times the mean divided by the use standard deviation, is sigma over 3 point.
Okay.
We convert first.
So they're finding the z-score by taking...
It's the value minus the mean divided by standard deviation.
Yes, exactly.
So we would do
You see,
185
point
minus.
which
Okay.
automatically types in the negative, the extreme.
Okay, yeah.
The
So we
right
have to find the
and
z-score, and then plug the z-score in, and then the area is what the answer is,
Okay.
which is
So are we?
0.5.
Oh, you have it.
Huh?
Do you have the answer from
Yeah,
the video?
0.5.
Okay. Just 0.5?
0.55.
55. Got it. Sounds good to me.
Okay. So number 5. Let's see.
Which of the following will have a smaller standard deviation if 9 observations are randomly drawn from a population?
Distribution of the individual's observation x, the distribution of the sample mean. What did you say x with a little line above it means?
I think it's the mean.
The mean? Okay.
So like in an equation, the number of people would be x, and then x with the line would be the mean, instead of just like writing it out, you know?
Yeah. This cannot be determined from the information above. Wouldn't it be the distribution of the sample means?
That was my first thought, but if there's only 9 observations that are polled, is that not enough to figure it out? Or does it not matter in general?
I don't think it matters.
Okay. Then yeah, I think it's the means one.
Okay. Then number 6, which of the following result implies that the spread is in mean decreases as the sample size increases? Decreases.
Wouldn't it be law of large numbers?
That's what I'm thinking, law of large numbers.
Okay.
Let me double check that.
Okay.
Oh, I don't know why. Can you see her?
Kind of.
He keeps like, I don't know, she just wants attention. Oh, now he wants attention. Maybe stop. Guys, down. Down. Okay, yeah, it's the law of large numbers.
Okay, perfect. So it's z-score for the next one. So the value she got was 160 minus the mean, which is 150.8 divided by 8.8. I should maybe get a real calculator for this class too. I'm always using my phone.
I always use Excel. That's my go-to.
That's probably a lot easier. Okay, I got 1.0454.
1.0454.
1.0. I think it'd be 455 though, after rounding it.
Yeah. Wait, no.
Or 0.045.
045. Yeah.
So 1.045. Got it. Okay, what is the probability that a randomly selected student will score above 160 on the quantitative portion of the GRE? Okay. This one's all you, because I don't know how to do probability. Score above.
Let me see.
our sample mean decreases, but the spread is
Okay, we got that.
deviation sigma 8.8. This isn't
I love that he sends these to me. It's so helpful.
Setting that up, because that is helpful to all of us.
It's,
standard deviation.
I think more than anything, he understands that math isn't easy.
Okay, what is the probability that a selected student will score above 160 on the quantitative? So, since this is the sample size is just 1, we still use question of now use this applet
Oh,
mean the deviation.
okay. So all he's doing is plugging everything into the complicated, the
It's 0.1.
yeah. All he's doing is plugging everything into the complicated one.
Where's the complicated one at, though?
No, that's what I'm trying to.
Because I don't remember seeing it anywhere.
Do you know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about.
I know what you're talking about, but I can't find it again. So I used it earlier.
Let's see.
The 0.14.
Yeah, all he's doing is plugging it in.
Okay.
So if we could find that, the complicated applet, then it would be golden.
Okay.
Probabilities. Yeah. You know what? I wonder if we just email her and ask her for the. I'm sure she'll send it to us.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna do that right now.
Oh my goodness. I'm so tired.
Just sent them to her. But so yeah, basically he just took the mean and he took the standard deviation and plugged it in, and then when it says like above this or below that, so in randomly select a score will be above 160. You plug 160 into the above thing, and then area he got 0.148.
Okay.
That make sense?
Yeah, it does. Like if I had it in front of me, I would be able to do it.
Yeah, exactly. That's the problem. If we don't,
Yeah.
we can't flip and find it.
Yeah. Do we want to try and go through the ones that we can without it and then do like the save for later at the bottom, and hopefully she has it sent to us by tomorrow? We can just kind of finish it on our own.
I don't know. I think we should just get it done.
Okay. I'm okay with that.
Okay.
So, just trying to be honest.
So let's see. Stop that.
Now, use the applet here. But
Let's see. Okay, so number. Oh, I plugged in.
9, you would you just find the mean of that and then use that mean to find the z-score?
What is the z-score for x1 plus sample mean of? Yes.
Okay.
So
Okay, I got 160. Oh, duh, because the mean is 160 up at the top.
oh, it's the same question?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, it says to use those numbers for 6 through 9 or whatever, or 7 through 10.
Oh, okay.
So it would be.
I mean, what is the z-score?
Would that be the same as number 7 though? Because we did basically the same thing on number 7.
Question. Z-score corresponding. Yeah, I think it's the same. Let's see.
Oh wait, you would do.
Got something different. So it's not the same.
Yeah.
What is the score corresponding to the sample mean of the student's scores?
I feel like it's the same answer though because you're still using 160 and then the mean is still the same and the standard deviation is the same.
So you just think it would be the same answer?
I feel like it is because up on number 7 she earned a 160 and then when you do the mean of those 5 numbers it's 162. So I just figured it'd be the same, you know? Unless he does it differently in the video.
Yeah, he got something different in the video. Let me see.
Okay.
how he does
Well, and I know he's right and I'm wrong, so.
The z-score is 1 point.
Okay.
Score. The advantage of this is, as you can see, I did not have to compute the z-score.
Okay, yes, but
Use this applet. Have just z-score corresponding to the sample means. We need to use this way. There is to add this in Excel or in SPSS. This time, so I'm just using Excel here. I'm just going to type 60, 70, 60, 49. What we need here is the sample mean. Excel, it's just functions just average. Average.
yeah, you're right. What's 60?
Okay.
So on number 9, what is the z-score corresponding to?
Here's 160. So you plug that into.
Z-score corresponding. A random sample of 5 students was selected. Oh, okay, yeah. So now the sample size is 5. we have changed the sample size.
Oh, okay.
Everything is the same. I'm just going to copy here.
So it's the same, but you do what differently?
Size now.
So everything's the same with the exception of the sample
And the standard
size.
deviation changes.
Okay.
Before the sample size was just
Use
her.
score
Now the sample size includes
2.3.
5 different.
Okay. So do you have to do the z-score for each of those and then take the average of it?
No, you just do the z-score, and then for in
What is the
in
probability?
is 5
5 randomly selected
because there's
Oh.
different students.
score that is
Okay, yeah.
being achieved by the student
So the answer we got was 2.338.
So here we
Okay. That's what I just got.
Okay.
338, right?
Yeah,
are up
because you're right. Everything was the same with the exception of the sample size.
I just forgot that part. Okay. So number 10. What is the probability that 5 randomly selected students will have a mean score that is greater than the mean achieved by the students in the previous problem? Round to 4 decimal places. That's a lot.
Greater. So this is kind of like number 8, right?
I would think so. Except I already forgot how we got number 8.
Me too. When such a student has a mean score that is greater than the mean achieved by the students. I think number 8, all I did was plug things into the applet.
Okay.
I think, right? Let me see.
That sounds right.
Tell me let's see. You can just type
Oh my gosh.
in answer is 0.00. Okay, let's say 4 decimal.
Oh, okay. So for number 10, all we're doing is plugging the number that the z-score that we got from number 9 into the applet.
Okay.
So 2.338. That's not what he got.
Tell me asking. You can just type in 338.
Okay, what am I doing now? Oh, duh. My applet lines were in the wrong spot.
Okay.
That would make a difference. 2.338.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. See if you get something different than I do.
Okay.
So you're just plugging the 2.338 into the score.
And what'd you get?
So Oh, wait, no, was that right? Point. Okay, let me try this one more time. I just keep telling myself it's wrong, but. Okay, so 2.. Okay, I'm getting 0.0194.
That's what I got too.
Okay. Then that's got to be
With it. Okay, suppose the mean GPA of BYUI students is 3.5 and the standard deviation is 0.7. It is well known that this distribution is left skewed. A random sample of 81 students will be drawn. So to answer 11 through 15. So what is the shape of the sampling distribution of the random variable mean, which represents the sample mean of the 81 students who are selected? Wouldn't that be... So we just had a question like this.
I know. Stop, please. Stop.
Answer is 0.00.
Would it be the left skewed? Or would it be the approximately normal one? Because it'd be both, you know?
Yeah. So I think it's approximately normal.
Okay.
Use another
Okay, 4 more.
I know, right?
I need to get going soon, so that's why I'm trying to like...
Rush it. No, you're fine. You're fine. I totally understand. Okay, so approximately normal. What does the mean of the distribution sample means for all possible samples size 81 that could be drawn from a parent population? Do you want to just save it? We can finish it on our own if you want.
Okay.
You have to
That'd be easier.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Thank you for all your help tonight.
Well, thank you for sticking around.
No problem.
Bye. Have a good night.
Okay, you too.